What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mega Minion Jerry from Despicable Me 4. Now if you struggle with drawing large circles, you can use the compass or trace out a plate. Let's start at the very top in the middle. Just going to go all the way around the left side. Come down and in towards the bottom, towards the center. Now it's going to work our way up on the right side. Going all the way around. And then bend that back up towards the top. Now with that circle in place, let's move to the center, step up and draw a small circle for the eye. Start from the very top in the middle, all the way around, and then back up. Let's trace this circle on the inside. Now along the top, we're going to draw a curve, starting from the left, coming down and up across the eyelid. And then in the center, we're going to draw another circle tucked in underneath the eyelid. Add a small circle in the center for the pupil, and we'll fill that in black. Now we're going to add those large clips along the side. On the left, we're going to step up, draw a straight line going across, line it up on the right, come down towards the bottom, draw that same length line, and we'll close off the ends with a straight line. Let's separate those clips in half. Let's stretch that strap across the side of the head. From this top corner, we're going to step down, go straight out, and then bend that up towards the side. And we'll do the same thing on the right, going out, and then we'll bend that up. Let's do the same thing across the bottom. From the corner, we'll step up, go across, and then bend that up, and do the same thing on the right. Underneath the eye, we're going to step down and add a curve. From the left side, curve this down and up on the top of the mouth. Let's round out the corners and then come down. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to close out the bottom of the mouth, curving this down and then up towards the right. Along the top of the mouth, we're going to add 4 teeth. Let's start with a gap in the center. So we're going to draw 2 straight lines coming down. Round out the bottom of the tooth, and then go straight up. Let's leave another gap, draw another line coming down, round out the tooth, and then pull that straight up. Then we're going to add a few teeth across the bottom. Let's start with that gap in the center, going up, round out the tops, going out towards the side, and pull that straight down. Let's do that again. Going up, round out the tops, and then come down. Now I want to add one more tooth along the bottom, on the outside. We're just going to tuck this out towards the side of the mouth. Let's go back and fill the inside of the mouth in black, going around the teeth. Now we're going to go back over towards the left side and add a curve coming down underneath the mouth, go across the center, and then up on the right side. On the inside, we're going to draw 2 short angled lines coming down and out across the straps. And we'll follow that same curve going out and then up towards the side of the body. Let's add 2 small circles on the inside for the buttons. Now underneath the button, we're going to come down and then bend that out towards the side of the body. Let's add that pocket in the center. Start with a curve in the middle, go back to the left, round this out, and go back up. Now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the body. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left, bend this out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. From the bottom, it's going to round out the leg, pull that up, bend the leg going out and then up underneath the body. Let's draw an oval along the base of the leg, going out and then in on the inside. And then from the inside of the oval, bend the leg going out and then down towards the heel. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet, starting back on the left, come down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot going up, bend that down. And then from the outside, angle this down and in on top of the feet. Now you also want to add a thick sole along the bottom. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to go all the way up towards the side of the body and draw in the arms. Let's start over on the left, then this out, and then down. And line that up on the right. Round out the bottom of the arm. I'm going to trace this curve along the outside and just pull that in towards the side of the head. Now just like we did with the legs, we're going to add an oval going around the base of the wrist. Let's go to the inside of the oval, angle the wrist going down and out. Let's add a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to wrap two large fingers along the bottom, starting underneath the thumb, going down, bend that up around the bracket, go to the side, add the second finger, going all the way around and then in towards the wrist, angle this up towards the outside. Now let's go back and add some cracks around the head. We're going to start from the eye and work our way out. We're just going to add these angled lines going up and out, and just working our way across towards the right. Also across the bottom, and then in behind the mouth, coming down. Now we're going to add some cracks going across, starting from the left. We're just going to break this up inside each section. Also going to work our way around the outside. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mega Minion Jerry from Despicable Me 4. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.